Alrighty, here we go. I got this big old international I got to work on today. I had to go to the junkyard and get a DPF filter that had all the core inside of it, because the one that's on the truck does not have the core inside of it. We just figured that out about 2 weeks ago, and I was on the road when I found out. Check engine light came on, truck couldn't regen. The temperature was 220, so they gave me the indication that something was wrong. So I pull up at the Petro, and the Petro told me that the DPF filter had no core in it. So I called around, and if you own these dang trucks that's got the DPF filter in it, you know how much these dang DPF filters cost. So I had to go to the junkyard. Got the next best thing to brand new. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this other one off and put this one on, and I'll let you see what it looks like on the inside of the other one. Possibly look in there. See, the core is in there, the whole core all the way through. So when I get this other one off, I'll let you see what's in that one. We'll be right back. And look like I'm gonna have to let somebody else take this thing off of this. These nuts and bolts on here are painted on, and I'm not young anymore, not like I used to. Show you what I'm doing. Trying to take that filter off right there, DPF filter off right there, and that little nut right there. Well, little nut right there. It's hard to get off of there. It's two of them on there. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to get them off there so I can get that bracket and all of that off of there. Switch all of that stuff out. Because on the filter I got, it has all of that on it already. So we'll figure something out here pretty quick. As you can see, that bracket right there is broken in half, so I have to replace all of that. So that's why I'm trying to get the whole thing off of there. If I can't, I have to let someone else do it. Alrighty, we'll get back with you in a minute. Yeah, you know, there's an old saying, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I guess I'm doing what I gotta do. I done hooked this baby up, got the jack off my pickup, a ratchet strap, tied it down, got it loose. About to pull this baby out of here. Oh, and I couldn't get those brackets off of there, so I left those brackets on there. I'm gonna do those a different time. Take them off and replace those, especially this one back here that's already cracked. Gotta get rid of it. Let's see if I can let you see inside here. See if you can see that filter. See how it's all messed up in there? I tried to hollow it out, whoever did it. Just cut a big old hole in it all the way through there. That's why my dang check engine light came on. Somebody didn't know what the heck they were doing when they done that. But that's okay, we're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it right. I'll be back in a minute once I get this one off and get the other one. And here we go. As you can see, this one is cracked all the way around there. Somebody tried to seal it up. Didn't work. That's how it is. And that's on the inside of it. You can see how that DPF filter is all busted up and trying to come out on this end. Focus, baby, focus. There we go, focus in there. See how it's all broke up? So my dang truck wasn't running right. We'll get her.